Hello guys, my name is Deep. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to do an underwater bubble ring. Okay, let's start. First step, you must dive down at least 2 meters deep. You need to reach a depth of at least 2 meters or more, so that the duration of your bubble ring will last longer as it goes up. In this clip, it is a 3-meter pool, therefore I am in 3 meters deep. Second step, after you reach your aimed depth, you must change your body position to horizontal or parallel to the surface of the water. This is because we want to make sure our bubble ring to float the same line to the surface of the water. And oh, you will really be struggling to maintain your position, especially at this depth, because the water will force you to go up. Just stroke your hand or hands and you will be just fine. Third step, you stick out your tongue and close it with your lips. Position your lips as the same as circle or letter O as much as possible. Now fill up your mouth with air and hold it properly. Make sure there will be no air going out through your mouth or nose. For starters, you can pinch your nose so that you can ensure there will be no air going out through your nose. I didn't pinch my nose on the video because I know already how to control my palate muscle. Fourth step, pull back your tongue and close your lips as swiftly or as quickly as possible, just like what I did here. Now, in slow motion. Here's a closer look. Now, don't stress or be sad if you fail or didn't get it on the first try. Just try more and get the gist of it. I myself also did fail many times before I finally perfected it. As you can see, there are many times I really tried and failed. Now for the fifth and last step. You need to go up in the surface and breathe again, or else you will drown underwater, unless if you are a relative to Aquaman. Just kidding. So there you go. Just keep practicing it, and I'm sure in no time you'll be able to do it too. If you think this helped, I would be really glad if you help me grow my small channel by hitting the like button and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that I'll be inspired to do more helpful videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.